Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi kids, welcome back again in Math Year 3 in Mumtaza Islamic School. Today we're gonna learn something about symmetry. What is it about? We're gonna learn about identifying symmetric figures. We also need to learn how to identify non-symmetric figures. In this chapter, we learn how to identifying line of symmetry and also identifying line of non-symmetry. Then we're gonna learn about rotational symmetry. Let's start it. First, we need to learn what is symmetry. So let's take a look at this rectangle. We put one line in the middle and then we flip into two. It's gonna be divide the figure into two equal halves. The two parts can fit exactly. That's what we call symmetry. Symmetrical figures. What is it? Yes, this is any figures that we put the line of symmetry in the middle. They can fit exactly. So rectangle is a symmetrical figures. What about triangle? The isosceles triangle is a perfect example of symmetrical figures because once you put the line of symmetry in the middle, it can fit exactly the same. What about circle? Definitely, if you put line of symmetry, it can divide into two parts exactly. Now let's learn, are these figures symmetric? Look at this level and you can put the line in the middle. Is it symmetry? Yes, exactly. It can divide into two, fit exactly. What about this star? If you put the line in the middle, could it divide exactly? Yes, definitely. So star, it is symmetric figures. What about the fork? Fork with four, and we can flip into two and it fit exactly. Put the line in the middle. So this is also a best part of symmetric figures. What about this? Are these figures symmetric? What about this? How do you think? Can we flip into two exactly? No, it is. So, what about this logo of man? Can we flip into two exactly the same? Yes, absolutely. So this is symmetric figures. What about this puzzle? If we flip in the middle, could it be fit exactly? We don't think so. So it is not symmetric. Now let's take a look. Identifying non-symmetric figures. So from these four, figures is not symmetric. See, you can put the line in the middle and they cannot exactly the same. Also in this middle, you cannot flip into exactly the same. What about this? This. Imagine the line symmetry that you can put. You put here and here, they still cannot fit exactly. And also this. So this figure is the example is non-symmetric figures. Keep that in your mind. So now the question, which figures below is not symmetric? What about these guys? How if we put the line here, here, is it symmetric? Yes, it is. So this is symmetric. They asked for not symmetric, so this is no for the answer. What about this? Is it non-symmetric? Definitely, we cannot fit exactly. What about this figure? Is it non-symmetric? We can put the line of symmetry here and here. Did it fit exactly? Yes, so this is not non-symmetric. What about this heart? Can we put it here? Here? We can put one line here. So this is is still symmetric figure, so this is no for non-symmetric. What about this star? Is this a not symmetric? It is symmetric figure, so say no for this. What about this rhombus? It is symmetric figures, so we can say no. Exactly no. Are these figures non-symmetric? Look at this. They ask for non-symmetric. Can we put the line of symmetry here? Yes, so it is symmetric. So the answer is no. Are these figures non-symmetric? Can we put it here? Yes. Here? Yes. Here? Yes. Here? Yes. So it is definitely symmetric. So the answer is no. Are these figures non-symmetric? Can put the line here. So this is symmetric. The answer is no. What about this? Can we put the line here in the middle? No, we can't. That still not fit exactly. So this is still can fit exactly. So this is no for non-symmetric. What about this? Can we put the line here? No, no, no. Okay, so this figure is non-symmetric. Correct. What about this? Square. We can put a lot of line of symmetry there. So this is no for non-symmetric because it is symmetric. Are these figures non-symmetric? Definitely no. This is asymmetric. What about this? Yes, it is non-symmetric. What about this? Definitely this is not symmetric. What about this? We can still have one line symmetry. So this is symmetric. This one as well, symmetrical figures. This one, symmetrical figures. So then we need to learn how to identifying line of symmetry. First of it, can I put the line one in the middle, and then line of symmetry, divide the figures into two equal halves, then it fits exactly. So when we put the line in the middle, we call it line of symmetry if they can divide the figures. So this rectangular figure is asymmetric figures because if we flip it, it could be equal halves. So what is line of symmetry? And this one figures can have more than one. Definitely, look at this square. You can put one line in the middle like this, and you can fit exactly the same. And then how many lines of symmetry that square has? 1 horizontal, 2 vertical, 3 diagonal, 4 diagonal. So the square has 4 of line symmetry. What about this? Isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. What about the hexagonal? It has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line of symmetry. Now, identifying line of non-symmetry. Look, if you put the line of symmetry here, it couldn't divide exactly, fit exactly. So this is we call non-symmetry line of non-symmetry. Even though circle is supposed to be symmetrical. Look at hexagon. If you put the line here, we call it line of non-symmetry because it cannot divide perfectly. And then what about this square? Square is supposed to be rectangle, as supposed to be symmetrical. But if you put the line of symmetry here, we call it line of non-symmetry. So are this figure line of non-symmetry? Is this line of non-symmetry? No, it isn't because it fit exactly. What about this? Is it line of non-symmetry? Can you fit exactly? No, so this is yes, line of non-symmetry. What about this? Can you flip into fit exactly? No, so this is also line of non-symmetry. What about this line? This is perfectly line of symmetry. So no for the answer. Okay, that's it for today. Let's do our best. I love you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.